Do you want to change the playback speed of a TikTok video? You can easily speed up or slow down any video on your feed to watch content at your preferred pace. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change the playback speed of a TikTok video, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, log into your account if you have not already. Find the video whose speed you want to adjust on your feed. Press and hold anywhere on the video screen to open the options menu. In the menu options, scroll down to the speed section. Select your preferred speed, such as 0.5x to slow down the video or 2x to speed it up. You can also instantly fast forward by pressing and holding near the left or right edge of the video screen to trigger 2x speed automatically. Now you can customize your video watching experience and view TikTok content at your own pace.